the things you've heard. Listen to it careful and know